Hello, everybody. Wanted to give you a little tip. How many square feet are in 1 acre? Square feet in 1 acre. The mnemonic device that I like to use, and some of you might have heard this before, so this might be new to some of you, is four old men driving 35 in a 60. So there's four old men in a car driving 35 in a 60, which means 43560. Four old men driving 35 in a 60. So four old men driving 35 miles per hour in a 60-mile-per-hour zone. Hope you like the picture. Hope that helps you out. Have a great